the owners app, iPOS owner. So on the iPOS owner, the inventory section, you'll go to, you tap on the inventory down here on this, the down menus. So you tap on inventory. Inventory is your store where you'll find all your products that you've created. So here are a list of our products that you've created. We've got the reorder level in each product, you can see, and we've got the quantities that are in store. So if we were to check on this, the top menus here, we've got the normal, the quarantine, and the low stock. For the normal, you can see all the products. We've got the quarantine. Quarantine is used maybe if a product has expired on the shelf and you're removing it, it will be taken to the quarantine section. So when you tap on quarantine, you will find those products that had expired on the shelf and have been taken to the quarantine. We've got the low stock. Those are products which have gone low in stock. You've sold and you've hit the reorder level, so it's going to be displayed on the low stock section. Then we've got the filter. This filter section here is where you can filter either in category, manufacturer, price range, and also you can use the select the category, the subcategory here. And then so this part, you can see all these in the owner section. Then we've got this clock. Also you can set the inventory, sorry, up here you can set the inventory, and at the top you can change from, you can select a shop that you want to fill the inventory from. So if you've got more than one shop, you can choose the inventory that you want to fill. So you tap up here, then you can select, then apply. You can set the inventory up there. There is a search bar there, you can set the inventory. There is a clock on the right section. This clock is for inventory changes, so when you tap on it, you will be able to see all the changes that have been done to the inventory. Retail, maybe the quantity change from additional to the bundle. If there was a sale made, you could see it here. Those which needed approvals, you will see it here. Then on the right side, there are the three dots. If you tap, you can export all the changes, and again you can filter, and you filter from when to when, and also the transaction. You can use the transaction type to filter. Is it inventory creation? Is it a quarantine section? What? You can also still use the product. So you've got all these options. Then going back to the inventory part, we've got these three dots on the right also here. So when you tap on this, you will have to add reasons. We've got what we call reasons. So when you tap on reasons, these reasons will be used when doing adjustments to the inventory. So you tap on add reasons, go to transaction reasons. So here you go to a reason, let's say a reason like inventory addition, then you submit. You've got another reason, inventory deduction, say you're deducting from the inventory. You have another reason also, there is a reason, maybe you've got an error, that also can be a reason. You have a reason also here, a reason like maybe damage. Then maybe the last reason, that's maybe if the product has expired, that was the reason maybe you removed it from the inventory. Then there is this stock transfer feature. This is used to transfer stock between shops. If you've got one shop, more than one shop, sorry, you can transfer stock from one shop to the other. So you tap, then you select the source shop and then the destination shop, maybe, then you proceed so that you can be able to select the products and send to the receiving shop. Then you've got here the stock reconciliation. Here is if you've done the stock take, you can come and reconcile using the stock reconciliation option. Then exporting, you can export, you can download them all the inventory if you want to be in an Excel or a PDF sheet form. So you tap on export, so you can export it either in Excel or PDF. Then you can select the shop that you can also select the shop that you want to export that inventory from. If you are using the Clerks app, you don't have to select the shop, it's just a direct download. Then let's see now making adjustments. Then we'll go to the Clerks app to check on the inventory. So here we are adding we want to add this 50 kg Fugo dairy milk to our inventory. So you tap on that product. When you tap on it, on the left side there is this editing option, the one with a pen and a paper. So you tap on it, you can change the cost of the product. That's for the price change, so you can adjust the prices there and then you save. And then on the right side you've got the edit product option, where you can use to edit the product. So you edit the product, then you can make the changes and save. Also you can delete the product up there. Then you've got this there is a part for viewing more down here, so you can be able to see the active patch in that product and the inactive ones. If they have maybe any expired, you can be able to see the ones that have been exhausted, the inactive patches. Then you've got the edit quantity. So when you tap on edit quantity, you want to make the adjustments. Now we've got 4 in stock and we want to add 6 to be 10. So we come on add. So you have to start with adding so you have to add the product. There is the add option, there is a remove option. When you are removing or doing a deduction, you can use the remove, but when you're adding, use the add option. So I'm going to add, so I'll tap on inventory addition. Then down here you input the quantity, so I'm adding 6. And if you want to save, you can save the quantity and you're good. That will be added. So if it's to remove, you can also remove. So let's save and see if there will be any changes. So tap on save. So here you can see we've got our 4 still in the inventory, so it has not changed. So we have 4 here, and the reason as to why maybe it's not changed is it needs the clerk's approval. As we had said when we were setting up the shop, I go back to this home, tap on this icon, the house icon, go to this pen. Then there was somewhere here down here where you are supposed to do the shop setting. Require quantity approval by the clerk. So this is what is happening now. So we need to go and approve as the clerk. So we'll go back to, we've done our inventory adjustments. So we go back to the clerk's app. So I'll go to iPOS clerk, tap on this. So we'll go to the menu, tap on the menu first, then scroll it up. Then you do what you call pull updates. So you are refreshing the system so that you can see any changes that have been made to the inventory. Then you go to the inventory, tap on this clock. Here you will be able to see the pending approvals. Here we've got 6 pending approvals. So when you tap, you can be able to approve those quantities. So come here, you can reject, so it depends. So you come on and tap on approve, then go to the quantities. So if you are approving 6 of them, that's okay. If you are approving, let's say 5, then approval notes, maybe you received only 5, so maybe you can say there was an error, then you tap on approve. So after you've approved, go back to the inventory and see. So you can see there are 9. instead of 10 because we had added 6, so they are 9. And when you tap on the clock again here and then go to all, we'll see here the 6 added, but 1 was rejected. And where can we see this, the rejected one? So the owner is the one who is able to see if that product was rejected. So we go to the iPOS owner, then tap on the inventory, then you tap on this clock. You could be able to see there is 1 which was rejected and 5 were approved on the inventory changes. So it's the owner who is able to see the changes that were made. Either it's a rejection or all of them are approved. So that's how it goes. Then when you go back again to the clerk inventory, so we are good, we've seen that. Then the clock, oh, you had seen here. Then the same features are here: reason, stock transfer, stock tech. So instead of stock reconciliation, it's the stock tech feature which you use to do the stock tech. So stock transfer, you tap and then you tap on this positive sign, then you select the destination shop that you want to transfer these products to. So it will open the list of the products that the inventory that you have, and you can be able to transfer. Then going to the stock tech, you will have to create a period which you want to do your stock tech. So if I say maybe my stock tech will be from first, I'll input first, then okay, then it will create that period, open this page where I can do the stock take. So more bundles, if I count, maybe I have maybe 5, confirm, go to the other item. So you input all these items, then when all of them are counted, you can now submit, and it can be reconciled on the other side. Then the uncounted ones are these. Then so you'll be able to do a stock take and submit for the reconciliation. Then there was something else to show you here about the quarantine. So again, for inventory deletion, it has to be done on the iPOS clerk and also quarantine. So if you tap on this product, you'll be able to see the delete icon is now active on the left side, of which it can be customized also based on the owner's preference. Either if the owner is not allowing the clerks to delete the inventory, this icon will not be here, or the option will not be there. But if they allow, it will be here. Then the editing price option is next to it. So if you are to delete, you tap on it and then you will confirm. Do you want to return to the inventory? It will be returned to the inventory. Okay, so if it's a bundle, then if this one is just asking you, do you want to confirm, then you confirm. Then editing, you've seen that. Then quarantine, so you just tap on quarantine, continue, then you input the quantities that you're quarantining, then tap on quarantine, and that will be moved to the inventory part. So when you tap on this, then go to quarantine. So quarantine now is having 1 Afebora, so it has been deducted from the inventory. We've got 6 now. And then the last part, editing the quantity, we've seen that, and it's okay. So that's how to navigate and work around the inventory